Henan Zhongrui Machinery is renowned for its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. The company leverages cutting-edge technology and advanced engineering practices to produce equipment that not only meets but exceeds industry standards. Their refining machines are designed with precision. One of the key advantages of working with Henan Zhongrui is their extensive experience in the field. With years of expertise, they offer comprehensive solutions that cater to both small-scale operations and large industrial setups. Their team of skilled engineers and technicians provides personalized support, from initial consultation through installation and after-sales service. Moreover, the company adheres to strict quality control measures throughout the production process. Each piece of equipment undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee reliability and safety. By prioritizing sustainability, Henan Zhongrui also incorporates energy-efficient designs into their products. In conclusion, if you are searching for a dependable provider of Fox oil refining equipment, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited is an excellent choice. Their dedication to quality, innovation, and customer service makes them a leader in the industry.